equation defined by degree polynomial equation is two variables. It is classified into four groups: circle, ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola. Parabola. Parabola has enormous significant applications from an experimental radio motor or allegorical amplifier to auto-fret light reflector and the long-range rocket. It is aptitude utilized in material science, design, and numerous engineering. Ellipse. Many real-life situations can be represented by ellipse, including the orbits of planets, moons, comets, and some boatkeys, rudders, and the airplane wings. A medical device called lithotripper used to break up kidney stones by generating sound waves. Hyperbola. In many real-life situations can be described by hyperbola, including the relationship between pressure and volume of gases. Lenses and monitors objects designed for us make this heavy use of hyperbola. These objects include microscope, telescope, television. Thank you, ma'am. I'm Latika of 11th Science. Welcome to Maths Expo. This is my project Analytical Geometry, also known as Coordinate Geometry. This is contradiction with synthetic geometry. Analytical geometry is used in physics and engineering and aviation, rocketry, space, and spaceflight. This project is an example of analytical geometry. It shows the exact graph of analytical geometry. This is a Expo. I have considered the x and y directions in the form of streets. I have shown here that analytical geometry is also used in the pathway of the road. Thank you. Good evening. We are from 11th Science and our topic is polynomial roller coaster. When you visit an exhibition or any wonderland, you might have seen this. This is called a roller coaster, winding track or twisting track. When you travel in a car or circular road or any turning point, you feel sudden nausea in the stomach or vomiting and dizziness. When you ride on this roller coaster, you can feel the feeling at the car. This is due to the combination of gravity and inertia. And along the forces, centrifugal force and the gravitational forces, which gives the body sudden sensation.
Now, let me explain the principle for this roller coaster. The mechanics have been known since 1865 and the existing formula for this roller coaster, AC is equal to V square by R, where V is equal to velocity, R is equal to radius of the circular path, and AC is equal to centripetal acceleration. The mathematical applications to the polynomial, it is ideal functional chart.
Thanks. Good morning, ma'am. I am Sangeeta Priya from class 11th Science. My project is probability Plinko game. Now I am going to explain an interesting game. The rules of Plinko are simple. Contestants can start by dropping their balls from one of the top slots and then watches as it bounces and zigzags its way down to the bottom. The slots at the bottom are labeled with different price values ranging from small amount to large cash prizes. This ultimately boils down to a 25% of chance of the dice going into the far left or far right corner, or 50% chance of the dice going into the middle section. You will see the numbers represented on each hexagon. This corresponds to the expected distribution of outcomes from the clicker for a given row on a clicker. Thank you, ma'am. This is intersection of sets. I am Haripriya and she is Sanjana. Before knowing what is intersection, we must know what is a set. A set is a collection of well-defined objects. Intersection is nothing but picking out the common matter in a group. We have sets A and B here, which have numbers as their elements. In both the cases, we can see that the numbers 5, 11, 30 are the common, and this is called as intersection.
Intersection is also used in derive widely. Two crossroads have a meeting point which is called a junction, formed from the concept of intersection. This is cutting place, etc. involving the concept of intersection for their functioning. Thank you, ma'am.